guys, welcome to my channel. So how many of you guys are Nana fans or anime fans? If you haven't watched Nana, it's an older anime and it used to be on Netflix, but now it's free on YouTube. This is a really old anime and a lot of people aren't really into it anymore or have even heard of it. That's what I mean, that's just what's obvious right now. I like anime a lot and I really enjoy cosplay and all this. So if you're not into cosplay, you can always just watch this video just to give support. If you don't like it, it's okay. I understand. Of course, I'm always going to be doing my normal makeup tutorials and celebrity looks and hair tutorials, but I really love cosplay and it's something that I haven't really showcased on YouTube that much. Of course, I've done my Disney stuff, but I am really in love with cosplay. If you go back to my older videos, I do have kawaii tutorials, and because I got so much hate, I just felt discouraged by it. People saying I look ugly and just this and that. It's just like cosplay, like I'm not trying to be pretty. I'm just trying to showcase my art and how I transform into a character. And I may not always look exactly like the characters, but I do come close, and it's just that's what makes me happy is I get to make my favorite characters come to life. And in this case, Nana is one of my favorite, if not my favorite anime ever. And I wanted to transform into them. So that was my little spiel. I don't know. But I know a lot of you guys are going to be confused because I haven't really done anime tutorials before. So I'm pretty sure this is not going to get a lot of views. I don't care. I just wanted to show you guys my work and how I like transforming into people. But I mean, anime characters, whatever. Let me know if you want to see more. If not, totally cool. I'm still going to do it anyway. I'm still going to do cosplay videos, 90s tutorials, movie videos. Yeah. So I made my eyebrows really thin because since this is an older anime, they had like really thin eyebrows. People like hated on that a lot, but that was the style in the early 2000s. So I just took this little eyeshadow quad and I am just putting some white eyeshadow underneath my brows and in the middle of my lids. I am wearing circle lenses and these are from Top's Face and these are like their gray dolly lenses for Nana. And I decided to start with her first because she is the main character and my favorite character on the show. So I am just placing a little bit of that dark purple eyeshadow in the outer corner and inner corner. I'm not going to talk too much about the characters because I don't want to spoil the show, in case you do end up watching, or if you don't, whatever, it's cool. If you just want to read the manga too, like it's online. She always had this really cool purple eyeshadow. They also have a live action as well, which I thought is really neat. And I just creating kind of like a halo eye. I don't know how to explain it otherwise, but yeah, she was always wearing this purple eyeshadow. It was just enchanting, and everyone thought she was so beautiful and this and that. So yeah, you'll see me go into a darker navy color right here, and this is just to intensify that purple eyeshadow a bit. Like I'm not trying to make my eyes blue, but just a darker purple. So that is what I am doing here. Yeah, I feel like I haven't shared with you guys too much about my love for cosplay that much. But I really do love cosplaying and it's become a huge part of my life. And it's just something fun. I love just transforming into different characters. And I know that my main focus is Disney, but I am so excited to branch out into newer things. I just don't want to feel ashamed or embarrassed. There's nothing to be embarrassed about. If that's something you like doing, then do it, you know? So right here, I'm just creating some eyeliner. I'm going to wing it out and also bring it towards the inner corner. I just felt like this was very Nana. And I'm going to make my eyes really dolly. Like, I don't feel pretty when I do dolly eyes. I feel almost kind of scary, but I just feel like that's how you make the anime character more come to life. You don't have to do this. Honestly, in a lot of my Sailor Moon cosplays that you see on my Insta, you'll see me put that at the end. I don't do dolly eyes. I only do this on occasion, and I felt like for Nana, their eyes are so big. I really just wanted to make every single character have dolly eyes. So as you can see here, I just put some white eyeshadow on my waterline and extended it outwards to give myself the appearance of bigger eyes. That's why I'm wearing circle lenses. Like I said, I don't always do this with cosplay and anime characters. Sometimes I make their eyes more realistic instead of doing dolly eyes, but for this particular tutorial, I wanted to do dolly eyes. So I'm taking those glamour lashes and also just putting some mascara on my top lashes. You'll see me go through 3 main characters in the show, and they're female characters, and these are the top 3 female characters in the show. So if you watch it, that's why. Nana's the main character. So I started with her, and I am just taking these lashes right here, and these are very like animated. I didn't go over my glue, but the glue did go away eventually, but I forgot to go over it on camera. And I just also attached some other lashes. And this is the look so far. I'm taking Cabernet by Jordana Cosmetics and also the Diva lipstick by MAC. And that should give you guys the perfect Nana lip combo and makeup look. So there you have it. There's Nana. So while Nana's doing music with Blast, here is the other Nana's makeup. Her name is Nana too, but she does develop a nickname named Hachi. So I'm going to be calling her Hachi throughout this. But this is the other Nana, which I feel like is very underrated when it comes to cosplaying her. People don't really cosplay Nana Komatsu too much, but she is also the main character in the show. I love her. She's totally boy crazy and spunky and really bubbly, and people sometimes think she's annoying, but I love her so much, and I just grew such a liking to her and her girly character in the show. So this look is going to be a lot easier, but I am going to be doing the same dolly eye effect and also making my eyebrows look very, very thin. I would have done the drag brows where you covered them with the glue stick and all that, but I am so terrible at that my eyebrows were a little light this month, so I felt like, why not? Let's just like kind of cover them with concealer instead of doing the glue thing, because I'm so bad at that. But anyways, I'm taking the Matte Fit Me concealer. I mean, not Matte Fit Me concealer. Well, I did use that, but the Fit Me powder, and going to powder my entire face. So this Nana, which nickname is Hachi, is the second main character in the show. Well, I feel like they talk about her a little bit more and she's more focused, but she is a main character in the show. But everybody loves Nana because she's the rock star and everything. But Hachi is also a super popular, and Hachi is also the main character of this show. I just love her to pieces. She's just so cute. So now I'm just taking this blush. I'm kind of going to do a Gari blush, and I'm also going to do the red lips in the middle like so. I kind of messed up a little bit on this blush because it dried really quickly, so you'll see me going back and forth with the blush. Honestly, like, as long as your look looks better and like as long as it photographs well, then it's fine. Like, your makeup is supposed to be super dramatic anyways. I don't know if you guys would want to cosplay this character or wear it to San Japan or any type of convention, Japanese convention, anime convention. But yeah, so I'm just taking the Sweet Peach palette and this light shadow right here, going to place this all over my lids. And also I'm going to go back into that Sweet Peach palette and just take the 2 neutral colors up here at the top. This is going to be super natural because Hachi doesn't wear a lot of makeup. She just focuses on the cheeks and the lips. But she's supposed to be very beautiful, so make sure that you at least wear a little bit of makeup. So we are, and she's girly too. She's very girly. So like I said, just brushing those 2 light shades in the outer corners. This look was super easy. It took me 3 days to do this tutorial, which that doesn't typically happen for makeup tutorials, but it was hard work. Anyways, I am going to move on to the lower eyelids. Like I said, I'm doing dolly eyes throughout this entire tutorial. Dolly eyes. If you don't want to do the dolly eyes, what I mean by that is if you don't want to do the dramatic dolly eyes, just skip on the lower eyelashes and lower lash drawings, because you'll see me right now putting on mascara, and before I put the lower lashes on, the look looks way more natural. So you don't need to do that if you don't want to, if you don't want to make it as dolly. Like, I want to do this cosplay duo with my sister when San Japan comes into town, but I don't want to do the dramatic lower dolly eyes because I don't really like it on me. I prefer that but not to happen, but this was for the tutorial's sake and for photograph purposes when you're cosplaying in your house, because this photographed really well and made your eyes look super doll-like. So I drew them on this time for my Nana Osaki makeup. I did hers. I just glued on some lashes. And now I'm just taking the Kylie Dirty Peach lipstick, and that is my hachi makeup look. Very cute and girly and fresh. Last but not least, it's our diva Reira, and I loved Reira in the show. I love the music for Trap Nest as well. It's super good. I listen to that soundtrack all the time. Love Blast 2. Don't tell me to pick one because I love both, but Nana's my ride or die. Like, I just love her so much. But Reira was also awesome. As you could tell, I'm just doing the same makeup from Hachi's look. I'm just taking the peach color and just filling in those sparse areas. I'm using the same lashes and the same dolly eyes. I'm just putting peach eyeshadow on. So that's all I did for Reira. And I'm just going to change the lipstick as well. So that's basically it. Just follow all the steps for Hachi with the doll lashes and the lower lash drawing, but also just put in some peach eyeshadow, and that would be Reira. Super simple. I just also put in a little bit of black eyeliner, and I'm just lining my lips more with Dirty Peach just to have more of a lip shape. I also will put a little bit of concealer in the middle because she looks like she wears more gloss, because she is a diva. She's the rock star. She's super famous. And I put some highlighter on. This is just Hippo from FOXYBAE Cosmetics. And there is our diva superstar Reira.
I reached into the sky.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this anime cosplay Nana tutorial. If you guys are interested, you can follow my cosplay account. Keep up with me on my cosplays and everything I do. This is the official picture I uploaded for Nana and Hachi. And these are also my other cosplays. If you're not into cosplay, make sure to give me a follow on my main IG account. I just post outfit pictures and selfies and a little bit of personal stuff. Anyways, bye!